Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're up here at Gilbert for the Women's Weekend of Wheeling. And we have to give a class, a recovery class. Winch here, pulling in on this rope. This would be a triple line recovery. But what we're doing here is, say the wrecker is a tree. This vehicle is stuck, and we need something to pull on this rope.
There you go. Give it a tug.
Oh, yay!
See? So, that just shows you the mechanical advantage that you can come up with by using pulleys and adding pulleys. And like I say, you don't necessarily need in a pinch, you don't necessarily need the strength of a winch. You know, you can do it. Now, theoretically, you could recover a vehicle by hand in this method if you had enough pulleys and enough rope. So we got done with the recovery class, and guess what? We have to go on a recovery. It's not at the park though, it's over on the MMT, Mesabi Mountain Trail. So that's where we're headed right now, so the Mesabi Mountain Trail, to go do a recovery. They had lots of rain up here recently, which washed out, and they haven't repaired some of the low priority gravel roads yet. But they needed the rain to put out a couple of forest fires up here in northern Minnesota recently. But they haven't been able to repair all the roads yet. Not even sure if they'll get them done this year. So they got her off of the trail. She's here in the parking lot. Apparently it's a track bar or a tie rod or something. Anyway, they don't think it's safe to drive at any speed. They got it off the trail, and they would just like to get towed back to their Airbnb. They found a welder that can weld it together. So we'll do that.
The track bar mount blew off the axle. So we drove 3/4 of the way back without the track bar attached to the axle. Yes. So we went through a bunch of made it through. We're on our third one left. We have one more to go. And she did amazing driving the whole way. Back and forth.
back into gear.
Oh, we got another one back, huh?
Yep. That was a fairly easy one. Okay, well, you were on the hook.
Women's
Get one of
weekend.
these.
Oh, thank you. I'll
So-
stick it on there.
Yeah,
Thank you much. Appreciate it.
no problem.
Thank you.
Well, it's the next day, and we're still up here in Gilbert, just outside of Virginia, Minnesota. We're at the Iron Range Off-Road Vehicle Park. The ladies are learning how to crawl around on the rocks.
Door hit.
Well, we might have a recovery.
Hook a breaker winch or something to something and pull her off of it a little bit.
She kind of slid up against a rock on a trail, and we need to pull her sideways. And fortunately, there's a plateau above her that we can go to and run a winch line down and hopefully pull the back end of the Jeep up away from the rock that's pointed right at her upper door hinge. So we're going to see if we can save a little body damage. It's in kind of a precarious situation, but we'll see what we can do. Down off of this bank somewhere. Let's take a look. Ah, yes, there she is, right there. And so we'll back up here and run a cable down to her.
Come on back a little more, Eric.
Eric, what do we got?
Well, we got a Jeep down here that's got her passenger side of the Jeep up against a big rock, and she needs to come sideways to save body damage. So that's what we're doing. We're going to try and run the cable all the way down the hill here and pull the Jeep sideways.
I might need you to actually lower me down using.
So I should have went all the way up, past this rock, close to the tree, versus staying here. And then when I did this, I went up, but not far enough.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how crazy of an idea is what you're doing?
About a 7.
About a good solid 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
But don't look up my skirt.
I'm getting a good view of it. Like you lied, it's not that big.
You want to free spool it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Yep. Perfect.
what do you think is the first angle, Eric? We grab it from the front or the back, or what are we doing?
I think we grab it from the back. The front is pretty stable, and so I think he's going to grab it from the back and grab it from this side, right there. Yep.
Lock it in, Eric, so I can come go down.
There. Keep going.
You're good.
Good. Is he gonna back up or go forward? Okay. Go ahead and back up a little bit. Let me get a little more tension off.
Stop right there. Let's unhook that line.
I got it. Tell him to let it out. All right. All right, you can pull it up.
All right, well, they got her off. She's in a safe spot now. Hopefully they can get her out. And we got a lot of rope to play in here. They want to continue the trail, and she's heading right back in. Hopefully she stays up on the side hill this time and doesn't get too close to the big rock.
Okay. Straighten out and pull in. Back passenger a little. Yep. Right there. Yep. Now forward. Your lockers are working now. There you go. Stay where you are. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Now start turning a little bit. Passenger. 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 Bring it forward, passenger, all the way. Yep. You're gonna come down to this corner here in a second. Keep coming, nice and easy. Keep coming. Keep coming. They're coming down now. There you go. Now straighten out. Driver. As you're coming forward, driver. Much as you can. Yep, you're okay.
The rest of them made it through, and including the rental Jeep driven by one of the women. That's funny. Well, thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. See if I can make it. I'm still in two-wheel drive, high range.
I think we'll make it.
it into four-wheel drive because this trail gets a little tough.